but essentially how much I'm paying. How should I go about it? That's the question. Second, there is a second part of the question as well. The second scenario is that I have an ad group level bid of $2. Okay? In this case, I'm targeting a specific gender. So, for example, for example, women. Okay? Sorry, men. Men I do not want to target, so I've set a minus 40% for men. I'm targeting a placement called, say, for example, money hunting, and that may be very useful for you. I'm adding plus 20% for that, and the interest category as 50%. But location and device remains the same. Now, how would I calculate these two? Okay. As a marketeer, we should not go into nitty-gritties of these because this is not something that we should be focusing on. Business strategy. But just to show you how you calculate is that first you calculate all the ad group level modifier, you multiply them with your campaign level modifier, and that's the bid that you're going to get. So if I have to decipher that, in the first example, what will happen is that my bid will be 1.5 times 1.2 times 1.5 times 0.8 times 1.1. Okay. I'll surely repeat that. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay. This is the answer. So this is what we're going to do. Okay. The bid equation will be default bid times ad group adjustment times campaign level adjustments. Now the bid equation will be something like that. It will start with 1, it will multiply with 1.2, it will multiply with 1.5, then it will multiply with 0.8 because it's minus 20%, right? So 1 minus 0.2. Finally multiply with 1.1.
Good morning or good evening, what do you say normally? How do you greet each other? Like Sahara, they say good Sahara.
Sahara Pranam.
Do you have? Yeah, Sahara Pranam. But they greet each other with good Sahara. Like they keep one hand here. Do you have any such culture here? Okay. So I'll set up the culture here. We say good evening, Google!
Good evening.
Come on, guys. Google we are sitting. Nothing great was achieved without enthusiasm. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go one more time. Good evening, Google.
Good evening.
Wonderful. We started Perfume Crush about a year ago. Domain name was registered in December 2011. And 2012 April, the website was, constructed, and payment gateway was taking little time because of KYC. They wanted a lot of details, VAT registration and all those proof IDs and all that. So I told my guys, why wait? Let's start with Google CPC. As it is 50%, more than 50% business is COD based here in India. So let's get started. So we set up because I was doing for my earlier website, Movie Mart, movie rental company last 6 years. So I was doing CPC myself. So I started the campaign, and very first month we ended up getting orders worth about over 1 lakh rupees. Just by CPC, nothing else, only COD. So people started complaining, why you don't have a payment gateway or credit card? Why are you doing only COD? So I kept learning, and I am on phone with the Google representative, one guy there at Gurgaon, Yatharth, helps me all the time. So he sends me email, he calls me, we set up time because once a week I learn. So Google AdWords is a science in itself. So I learn one feature at least once a week or fortnightly myself. And people have been extremely helpful at Google. I tell you, I'm so impressed with the whole of Google culture and service that if I was younger, I wish I could have worked here. But anyway, we are your partner, and my turnover from first that 1 lakh rupees to in a year's time has grown to 15 lakh rupees. And with the visibility, we've been contacted by Flipkart, Snapdeal and Amazon. So Snapdeal and Flipkart, we are shipping already, we are on board with them. That's added to our top line and bottom line. And Amazon I met yesterday, so we're going live October 15th. So rest we are waiting for Jabang and Mahindra. The goal is that if any perfume gets sold, it's sold from perfumecrush.com. That's the goal, and I hope to spend lots and lots of money with Google. Our sales grows, but right now I'm spending about 60,000 rupees a month. But I don't mind spending a crore if I can get returns. So thank you very much. And
Alright, even I probably don't need the mic. So thanks so much, Mr. Suresh, for sharing that with us. It's good that you refer to us as partners. That's what we aim to be. That's what we want to be in this line of business. What we want to do now is probably just open the house for all of you guys to discuss. If someone else wants to share their story, please feel free to walk up, and we can do that now.
Hi, I'm Alka, and we have this financial website which is called Dynamic Levels. The purpose for this website is to help financial investors in the markets so that they don't make the mistakes that we made. The first platform we tried was Google AdWords, and after that we have tried other platforms as well. In fact, we've tried all the platforms, and we have come back to Google. So it has been a huge learning for us. The best part about Google is, at least I personally have been with Google, training with them for the last 1 month only. But what I was surprised about is the service and the support. The patience which the representatives have to listen to, queries, repetitive queries is incredible. So I hope to get the same kind of support. We are still, I would say I'm new to Google, Ajay and the team is not, but I would love to learn, be a part, and hope to make Dynamic Levels a big success. As I said, I promise it will be a big success through Google.
It has been of immense help today, and I really appreciate the amount of effort that has gone into researching our account and learning more about it, and to have the experts give their insight into what can make our AdWords more successful. It's been incredible and extremely valuable. I really thank you for this day and for this initiative, and I hope to get more support from Google in this regard. And as with everybody else, Google has given us a lot of key accounts which are being mined to this day. So we hope that we see more success out of AdWords. Thank you again, everyone.
Talk to different representatives. We have to keep repeating our queries. So it would help if we were assigned, since we are regular AdWords users, if we would have one particular person or a team assisting us, that would really help.
That's great. Relationship manager kind of.
That would really help. And again, I would like to reiterate what she has said, that it has been a super initiative, I think. You made so much of an effort. I see the kind of effort you guys have made in looking up our account, going through the campaign in such a short time. You just sent them yesterday, the queries, they were so well done. Everything was there, all the answers were there. So thank you so much, everybody.
Anything else that anyone else wants to share? In general about our service, the experience you've had with our service teams, about today, about enhanced campaigns.
Today is like, if we could give you more than like 100 marks, we could give you.
We would love to have that.
We hope to be invited to more such advertisements.
We hope to do them very frequently.
hope to do them very frequently. We would like to have people come in and talk to us.
And
Because
next time
honestly,
do
this
it
is
in
the best.
Delhi or Calcutta,
Yes,
otherwise
that would be great.
they are
And I
expecting
can
you.
see you have a lot of
Airfare
practicals in
also.
this whole office.
Yeah, we have people from everywhere. So while we don't really offer support in languages apart from English, you'd be surprised at the number of languages we talk it on the phone. So yeah, yeah, we try and have as diverse people as possible in the team.
Hopefully you will be doing these workshops in more
We
cities.
will. We look forward to doing that.
As I said in the lunchtime also, that I am from an agency and we help them.
Right.
So this was an advertiser day, but everywhere the advertiser and the agency work together.
Right.
So what happens is if the client goes and learns half of the things and gets back, it's a confusion all around. Okay.
Okay.
So it's always good that if they are learning together, maybe one representative from the ad agency or the agency that they are, give them an option.
Sure.
It's always an option to them whether they want to get them or not. Otherwise, there will always be a confusion that what was there, what was not there, and then we will always be fighting and wasting our time.
Sure. Feedback taken. We'll be doing that going forward. All right. If there is nothing else, as I said, you will have feedback forms coming up very soon anyway. So we hope to hear from you then. We will want to just invite you guys up here and hand out small souvenirs for coming down here, making this day a success for us. May I just invite Rishi and Vishesh? They are our leads for North America and UK regions.